Welcome everybody to the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions for the week of 10/5. So, what will we be learning this week? We are focusing sort of on this third part of this anthropological understanding of Revelation, the composition of the biblical tradition. So we're reading from the Bible, the certain Psalms, we're identifying them according to their basic experience, and we're trying to understand the image of God that emerges. We will also, this week, learn about the Ruth tradition. So it'll be the fifth or fourth tradition that we sort of dive into. And the reason we're looking at the Ruth tradition next is to understand the importance of historical context. So the assignments for the week, we have our Psalm test on Friday, right? The 4 review questions, which were assigned last week, are due either Wednesday or Thursday. You can hand them in at any time. They're on campus, but whatever day that you have block schedule. And then we'll do the Ruth summary. That will be in-class work. So we'll read the book of Ruth, and you'll have to summarize it and find the main themes. So anyway, if you have any questions, of course, please contact me. And I look forward to a great week. See you all soon. Bye-bye.